Hi guys, we will be discussing about natural language processing in the series of the videos that will be showcasing over a period of time. This is the first one that we will be starting and kicking off our sessions today, and so we'll be starting with the concept of tokenization when it comes to text mining or opinion mining. It's a basic pre-processing function that we need to perform, and in a very plain definition it means splitting up the sentences into words or paragraph or a text into sentences. So basically, you are tokenizing, you are producing tokens, of words, of sentences from a big text, right? So, moving on, I'll showcase one simple example of how we can tokenize, you know, a sentence into words with the help of NLTK, in Python. And so the assumption here is like you guys are clear about how to get NLTK installed and what all things that are required to be installed. So anyway, we have a separate video for that if you want to go through installing NLTK and stuff. So we will begin with NLTK tokenize over here, as you can see. So let's say, so we are importing word tokenize as a function over here, to achieve the functionality of tokenizing or to splitting up a sentence. So what we'll be doing over here, okay, let's start from scratch. So I have over here, I'll just import uh, function from nlk.tokenize. I'll import the, the tokenize, and I'll say, let's say we have a sample para, or I would say we have a sample sentence that says, "Hi, I like Python, and you should learn Python." So this is a very simple example of how we will break this sentence, into a list of words. The correct spelling right here. Okay, so I'll invoke the function word, say, and I'll pass this as argument. Just print it out. See what we get over here. So I'm passing that sentence, and we will be producing. I'll just run this, and now as you can see over here, I got a list of all the words, that are basically forming this sentence, right? So it is being stored as tokens in list, and this can be, this is a very basic pre-processing function, that needs to be performed when we start working on opinion mining or text mining. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll be moving on with the other set of tokenization functions like sentence tokenization. So we'll be discussing that in our coming videos. Thank you.